Hello all. Today we would be introducing the elective of training and development. This is going to be offered to you in SEM 3. We have already spoken about training and development in SEM 2 in HRM. So this elective would be taking it to a little advanced level. We have understood already that the function of training and development is very important to enable employees to do their current role as well as develop them to move into higher roles. So, with that importance in mind, we in this elective we also look at the organizational impact of training and development, like employee retention, customer satisfaction, trained and developed employees who contribute to the organization's growth. And since training can be aspirational, or growth and development opportunities can be aspirational for a lot of employees, training and development also leads to employee engagement. The course covers the ADDIE model that we have already covered in the previous semester, but we go into greater details of each of the specific steps of the training process, like need assessment and designing and looking at different training methods and the evaluation modules. Most of the sessions are designed around the ADDIE that has already been introduced to you. So we look at the analysis of training needs, we look at the blueprint or creating the design of a training plan, and we also look in greater depth at the various training methodologies that one can use to deliver these different training and development programs in the organization. Through the use of case studies and inviting guest lecturers into your sessions, we also have an in-depth look at training evaluation. You may recall that in the previous semester, we have looked at the evaluation model, the Kirkpatrick model, only very briefly. And since in the elective, we are looking at training as a strategic HR function that contributes to organizational growth and development. Therefore, there is a lot more emphasis on understanding the training evaluation model, particularly at level 3, 4, and 5, by which we will try and assess that there were measurable, tangible effects or outcomes of the training that has been imparted to the employees. The evaluation component remains similar to what you may have already been through in your previous semesters. It's going to be a mix of MCQ, descriptive questions, and a project based on the subject, class participation, all adding up to 60 marks, and the end term for 40, totally adding up